Downtime. No matter what the facility, unplanned interruptions can be extremely costly. Some people might not connect maintenance costs with product reliability, but poor quality equipment can lead directly to unplanned downtime and higher maintenance costs. As electrical engineers, you understand the importance of product quality. That's why, at Schneider Electric, we make it our priority. We're committed to high quality throughout the product lifecycle through offer creation, manufacturing, delivery, operations, and services. And we provide our customers with a predictive and personalized end-to-end digital experience. Take MasterPact MTZ. Based on 30 years of innovation, this range has been thoroughly tested in the vast majority of customer environments, and it frequently exceeds the performances required by IEC Standard 60947-2-3. Thanks to rigorous testing, we'll help keep your electrical system running, even in the harshest environments, with mechanical durability, electrical performance, and environmental performance. Like all our connected products, MasterPact MTZ is backed by EcoStruxure Power, so you can count on a digitally connected power distribution solution that helps facility teams build resilient operations. Unexpected interruptions can be devastating. Schneider Electric helps you design, install, and maintain high-quality electrical systems that help ensure uptime.